So poverty is the second chapter. So I am going to explain you poverty now. So what is poverty? Poverty means those who cannot earn money sufficiently, or those who are not able to earn their money for, and those who are not getting the basic needs of their life, they are the poor. And of all the people are come under this poverty line. So for more than 5 decades the world was has focused on development, and yet the destination is not is in sight. The prime focus of this development work is the past be sure radical from the forms in the economy, and the policy have brought about significant changes in the society of the developing world. So not only in our country, it is among the world only. All the countries are came together, or were came together to eradicate this poverty, because not only India is not below India is comes under the developing countries below poverty line, or so many poor are there. We know that, because per capita income in whatever country is having that lack of per capita income, or they are not earning money sufficiently, or if the country is unable to provide the sufficient basic needs of the common people, that country comes under the poverty line, or we can say that that country is developing country. So in the world mission, or we can say among the world, all over the world, everyone want to eradicate the poverty. Those who are the poor country, they are giving privileges to them, they are giving opportunities to them, they are helping economically to them. But the ugly face up poverty still refuses being carried out both the individual government and international community. So this is a very common thing कि जितना भी सबने ट्राई किया, but poverty is not eradicated. अगर हम अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज को देखेंगे, इंडिया में तो पॉवर्टी है ही है. कितना भी हम कितना भी मेजर्स लेंगे, गवर्नमेंट मेजर्स लेते हैं, मिड डे मील देते हैं, दे आर ट्राइंग टू गिव प्रिविलेज टू द पीपल. एकदम रूरल एरिया में, रिमोट एरिया में जाके ऑल द गवर्नमेंट इज टेकिंग दैट मेजर्स, और वी कैन से सो मेनी एनजीओज आर देयर, दे आर आल्सो गिविंग सो मेनी help to the poor people, but poverty जाता ही नहीं है, because lacking of awareness, or lacking of earning money, or lacking of education, ये सब लैक होते होते इतना ज्यादा हो गया है कि पॉवर्टी इरेडिकेट करना इज क्वाइट इम्पॉसिबल नावेडेज. उसमें so many things are happening in the society, or all over the world. So poverty below poverty line में so many countries are there. India, Africa, Latin America के बहुत सारे countries there comes under this poor uh, country. So identifying the poor and indexing poverty, the key question for the social scientists is to evolve a methodology for identifying the poor and for indexing poverty. To quote Amartya Sen, the requirement of the concept of the poverty must include two distinct but not unrelaxed, namely a method of identifying a group of people as poor, a method of ag- aggregating the characteristics of the set of poor people into the overall image of the poverty. So there are two types of identifying the poor people. A group of people, those who are not getting their basic needs, they are called poor. And the group of people, when they are not getting the basic needs, they are not getting their foods, proper foods every day, or they are not having the shelter. ये तो इंडिया में रेगुलर, इंडिया क्या, हम मुंबई में ही घूम के अगर देखेंगे, सो वी कैन ऑब्जर्व दैट, अगर वीटी स्टेशन में आप जाओगे, एग्जांपल अगर ले लेते हैं, वीटी स्टेशन में जाओगे, रात के ट्रेन पकड़ते हो, जो जो कभी कभी वी आर कैचिंग द मिडनाइट ट्रेन एंड ऑल, so many people are there, they're sleeping in the platform, or sleeping in the footpath, on the footpath. So many features are we can see that, कि ये सब देखने के लिए, ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए, we should not go to the remote area. cities में भी we are observing that this thing. and ये जो पैंडेमिक चल रहा था, पैंडेमिक में जब पहले पहले लॉकडाउन हुआ था, आप लोग कोई निकलते हो बाहर, या मैंने व्हाट आई ऑब्जर्व दैट, दुकान बंद है, शटर बंद है, बट दुकान के शेड के नीचे सो मेनी बेगर्स आर देयर, दे आर होमलेस ओनली, दे डोंट हैव देयर ओन destination, and they don't have the food also. So this is the condition of poor, and we can identifying the poor like this way. So who are the poor? ये तो एक बुकिश नॉलेज मैं आप लोगों को बोल रही हूँ, बट who are the poor? We know that very well. 2 वक्त का चपाती नहीं मिलता है, 2 वक्त का खाना नहीं मिलता है, they are the poor. So ये बुकिश नॉलेज में हम क्या देखेंगे? Poor are those who could not meet their daily needs. Daily needs उनको मिलता ही नहीं है. This is the most commonly used criterion, and those using to reduce the concept of daily needs of nutritional requirements. So those who are not getting their daily needs, but they need their nutritions, but they are not getting, they are called poor. Second is, poor are those who are socially deprived. Obviously, social, we are the human being is a social animal. So those who are poor, they are not getting their daily needs, they are not getting their food, their shelter, their clothes. Obviously they have the right, because constitution is giving us this rights to get everything, to get our basic needs. If the common, if few people or a group of people, they are not getting their basic needs, that is the failurity of the government. So they are socially deprived, we can say that. Social deprivation may lead to the downgrading the social status, and may even adversely affect the economic well-being of the family or the caste, but such consequences cannot be equated with poverty. This or two reasons. Poverty may exist among those who may not be regarded as socially deprived. Not all those belong to the category of socially deprived group, caste or tribes can be classed as poor. तो कभी कभी कैसे होता है कि those who are the socially deprived, they are the poor, but कास्ट एंड क्लास के बेसिस पे भी हम किसी किसी को डिप्राइव करके रखते हैं. दे आर ऑल्सो कम्स अंडर पुअर पीपल. पुअर आर दोज हु फील रिलेटिवली डिप्राइव्ड. Several writings on poverty, the distinction between relative and absolute poverty. There is a worldwide commitment to eradicate poverty is with regard to absolute poverty and at the level of the people. So we know that those who are the socially deprived people, those who are the people that are not getting their basic needs, that they call poor people. So many NGOs are there. Even our government is promising us that we will eradicate the poverty. How government can eradicate the poverty? Government can give us opportunity to earn money, but all are failure, because nobody is able to eradicate this poverty. Now, manifestation of poverty. Poor income and dearth of resources This has four types: absolute income poverty, low income, relative income poverty, and subjective income poverty. So obviously, those who are not getting money, those who are not earning money, they are called poor. Those who are earning money but not a sufficient earning of money, there comes under the poverty line. Those who are working as a peon, those who are working as a sweeper, they are also human beings. They are also giving their efforts, but they are not getting money properly. So पुअर होते हैं ऐसे ही, पैसा नहीं मिलता है इसके लिए पुअर ऐसा नहीं है. Sometimes we are earning money that is not sufficient for our family. Our family is big and we are earning money less. और poverty आएगा ही. So starvation and malnutrition, that is also comes under the poverty. Poor health and sanitation causing disease and decreased longevity. Means एकदम जैसे एग्जाम्पल, मुंबई धारावी में जाओ, प्रॉपर प्रॉपर मेल क्या है, देन डिजीजेस क्या है, हेल्थ कंडीशंस क्या है, वो एक हिस्सा में हम लोगों को देखने को मिलता है. नॉट इन धारावी ओनली, किधर भी आप लोग कोई भी ऐसे स्लम एरिया में जाओगे ना, तो यू कैन सी दैट कि डिजीज कैसे होता है. दे आर नॉट मेंटेनिंग एनी हाइजीन लेवल, so that is why sanitation ही नहीं है उनका. Lack of access of education and other related facilities in the community context, it lack of paying capacity for sending the child to the schools. Obviously, so many parents are there, they are not getting proper food, only the children are not getting proper food, how they will go to the school for the studies. Because education is not the basic need of human being. Food, clothes and shelter, these are the basic needs. If human being or a person or a group of person, they are fulfilling their basic needs, then only secondary thing is education. They will send to the child to the school, because if they are sending their child to the school, they have to spend money for uniform, they have to spend money for books, they have to pay nominal fees in the government schools also. So they have to pay for transport also. So this is their basic needs, or this is their desire, we can say. So that is why the parents are unable to send their child to the school. Then homelessness, people without home. Just now I discussed that people without home, so many people are there, they're lying on the street, they're sleeping on the street only. ये तो हम घर से बाहर निकलते ही देख सकते हैं, इसके लिए हमको इधर उधर ढूंढने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. दोपहर चलो तो स्ट्रीट में आपको कितने लोग पड़े हुए मिलेंगे, रात को स्ट्रीट में ही सोते हैं. Then unsafe environment, social exclusion and negative discriminations. So all these things are there. This is called, we can say, we are identifying those things for the causes of the poverty, or we are identifying those people that they are not getting all these things, that is called, they are coming under the poor people. Now, causes of poverty, what are the cause? So many causes are there, ये इसके लिए बुक पढ़ने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. फर्स्ट इज इकोनॉमिक कॉज. Recession is a general major fluctuation in poverty rates over time are driven by the business cycle. Poverty rates increasing is in recessions and declining in books. So पॉवर्टी को देखने के लिए अभी जो पैंडेमिक पीरियड चल रहा है वो तो सबसे बड़ा एग्जांपल है. पैंडेमिक पीरियड में so many people are losing their jobs, they are not getting money. Those who are working, they are also not getting money properly. So obviously poverty बढ़ रहा है. मिडिल क्लास मिडिल क्लास लोग जो है वो भी रास्ते पे आ गए, कंपनियां बंद हो गए, लॉकडाउन के नाम पे लॉकआउट हो गए. सो this is called again recession is there. Recession is coming. We coming बोलना गलत होगा. We are passing on this recession time only. Then economic inequality. Obviously, in our country, बाहर देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Economic inequality is there because so many people are nowadays graduate people after TYBA or BSc or BCom and so many blah 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 degrees are there. The children are getting their degrees but not getting any job anywhere. So obviously, income economic inequality आएगा ही. And this is the main cause of poverty. Recession is the main cause of poverty. The government is unable to give a job. Then and in private sectors also there is not a sufficient private sectors. And if the population is higher and the sectors are lesser, then obviously private, those who are the entrepreneur in the private sector, they are doing their by their own, and उनको जो मन में आता है they are doing, they are not fulfilling the demand of the workers and all. ये सब है, तुमको नहीं आना है ठीक है, कल से नहीं आना है, दूसरे किसी को मिल गए कम पैसे में तो तुमको निकाल दिया. So all these things are going on, and for that reason poverty, these are the main causes of the poverty, we can say. Then food price. Poor people are not spend a greater portion of their budget on food than major people do. As a result, poor households and those near the poverty threshold can be practically vulnerable. Increasing food price, very very true. Increasing food price, आज के तारीख में बाजार में जाओ, 100 रुपया लेके कुछ दिखेगा ही नहीं. So this is the increasing rate of the food. And मैंने अभी अभी जो बोला कि बेसिक नीड्स है फूड. बिना खा के लोग नहीं रह सकते, बिना कपड़े के लोग नहीं रह सकते, फुटपाथ पे सो के भी नहीं रह सकते, फिर भी सो लेंगे लेकिन खाना. So if we are not getting our food properly, then obviously we are the poor people. गवर्नेंस, ये पुअर, एक कंट्री को पुअर डिक्लेयर करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबल, होल एंड सोल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज फॉर गवर्नमेंट. क्योंकि प्राइवेट सेक्टर को भी आगे लेके जाने के लिए गवर्नमेंट की सपोर्ट चाहिए, वो गवर्नमेंट देते नहीं है. वो कोई भी गवर्नमेंट आने दो, बीजेपी, कांग्रेस, एनी 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 वन, पॉवर्टी एरेडिकेशन कोई नहीं कर पाए. लैकिंग डेमोक्रेसी in poor countries, the effectiveness of governance has a major impact on the delivery of socioeconomic outcomes for poor population. Weak rule for law can discourage investment and thus increasing the poverty. Failure of government to provide essential infrastructure. Obviously, essential infrastructure हमारे कंट्री में है ही नहीं. गवर्नमेंट इज द फेलियर वन, एंड फॉर दैट रीजन पॉवर्टी लेवल बढ़ जाता है. Then social factors. Overpopulation and lack of access to birth control method, crime, white collars, blue collar, historical factors such as colonialism, war, discrimination of various kinds of discriminations. ये इसके कारण then again diseases are also there. Poverty is increasing day by day. Then environmental factor. Obviously, climatic conditions, the change of climatic conditions. अभी जो factors है हमारे poverty के, that is बायोवार फैक्टर, एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर. सब लोग बोल रहे हैं एनवायरमेंट पॉल्यूशन के कारण ऑल दिस डिजीज, ऑल दिस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन इज कमिंग. नाउ इफेक्ट ऑफ द पॉवर्टी क्या है? फर्स्ट इज डिक्रीजिंग ऑफ हेल्थ. पॉवर्टी में क्या होता है कि हेल्थ को मेंटेन करने के लिए भी अच्छा खाने की जरूरत है, अच्छा, डॉक्टर के पास जाने की जरूरत है, मेडिसिन की जरूरत है. वी आर नॉट, हंगर इज द मेन थिंग. malnutrition, starvation, malnutrition, health problem बढ़ाएंगे. Disease, next point is disease of poverty reflects the dynamic relationship between poverty and poor health, which such infectious diseases result directly फ्रॉम पॉवर्टी. अभी जो चल रहा है इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज, एक दूसरे से हम मिलते हैं तो डिजीज हो जाता है. एंड पहले भी इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज हो जाता था तो ट्रीटमेंट करवाने के लिए पैसा ही नहीं है. एंड हाइजीन मेंटेन करने के लिए भी पैसा नहीं है. हेल्थ को मेंटेन करने के लिए हाइजीन चाहिए, हाइजीन करने के लिए पैसा चाहिए. एंड मेल न्यूट्रिशन ना हो इसके लिए प्रॉपर फूड चाहिए. नथिंग इज देयर. एक दूसरे के साथ रिलेटिविटी है. Proper food is not there, that is why malnutritions are there, that is why diseases are increasing. And proper sanitation is not there. They don't have the education, that is why they don't know how to maintain their health. They don't have money to maintain their proper food, proper health, or proper medication as well. So poverty is increasing day by day, and these are the effect of poverty only. Then again, education. Obviously, खाना नहीं है, मेडिसिन नहीं है, कपड़ा नहीं है, हमारे हेल्थ सही नहीं है. सो हु इज गोइंग टू टेक द एजुकेशन? एंड एजुकेशनल एनवायरनमेंट तैयारी नहीं होता है अगर poor people है. And poverty is also affect the education, because if we don't have fulfilling, or state or central government is not or unable to do the fulfillment of the basic needs, then education will affect. In low income group, the people are not getting education because they are unable to send their child for the education, because पैसा ही नहीं है, खाने का पैसा नहीं है. How they will take their education, higher education only? Then again, poverty is called violence. Obviously pocket में पैसा नहीं है, लोग वायलेंट हो जाएंगे. अभी जो हो रहा है, इंसान वायलेंट हो जाते हैं. इतने लॉकडाउन इंसान सहन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. सो nowadays the people are saying that या तो कोरोना में मरेंगे, नहीं तो पॉवर्टी में मरेंगे. मरना तो है ही. सो वायलेंस क्रिएट हो जाता है. देन नेक्स्ट इज हाउ टू इरेडिकेट पॉवर्टी. To eradicate the poverty, first we have to focus on the income process. Then formulate this one government should strengthen the civil society. Government should increase the per capita income, and government should find out what are the main cause, basic root problems of the society, poor society. Or government should find out the problem why the poverty is increasing day by day, why the poverty we are not, government is unable to eradicate the poverty. ये basic problem क्या है वो अगर find out करेंगे, then only poverty को eradicate किया जा सकता है. Then education, government should focus on the education. Government should focus on the fulfillment of the basic needs of the common people. जैसे प्रॉपरली राशन देना, दाल चावल देना, हेल्थ केयर करना, फ्री हॉस्पिटल्स बनाना. Then next is focus our effort and policies to address the root cause of the poverty, to provide the basic needs of all these efforts should include an elimination of hunger and malnutrition, provisions, food security, education, employment, livelihood. Obviously, food security देना चाहिए, education and employment देना चाहिए. Then hunger ना हो इसके लिए food देना चाहिए. Then health care देना चाहिए government को. So this should be provided by the government. Then eradicate poverty, eradicate करने के लिए और क्या चाहिए? टेक्नोलॉजी अच्छा होना चाहिए, पॉलिसी, those whatever policy government is taking the decisions regarding the policy, that should be is also favor of this poor people. फूड के जो प्राइस बढ़ता जाता है. Nowadays, एक example I can give you, government is giving us free chawal and dal, and government is taking nearly 1,000 rupees for the gas cylinder. So free का चावल तुम गैस सिलेंडर में 1,000 rupees के गैस सिलेंडर में उबालते हो. So this is not the way. Then next is ensure that national budget policies, necessary meetings, reduce inequalities, increase the opportunities to access, remove political and legal economic inequalities, social inequalities. ये सब inequalities को eradicate करने से ही poverty eradicate हो सकता है. Then so many programs जैसे free health checkup camp, then पॉवर्टी इरेडिकेशन करने के लिए नेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, अलग अलग एनजीओज को आगे आना है. हाउ टू बिल्ड अप द स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज, ये सब करने से पॉवर्टी इरेडिकेट हो सकता है. इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज, हैव टू इंक्रीज इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज, इकोनॉमिक अपॉर्चुनिटीज, then health wise opportunities, adequate economic and social protection. And government की तरफ से क्या करना चाहिए? social protection देना चाहिए, जैसे मेडिकल हेल्थ पॉलिसी करना चाहिए, या तो फ्री में हेल्थ चेकअप कैंप करना चाहिए टू एसेस पॉवर्टी. ये सब करने से धीरे धीरे पॉवर्टी इरेडिकेशन हो सकता है. सो दिस इज द पॉवर्टी, एंड पॉवर्टी शुड बी इरेडिकेट फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर in the world. So now this lecture is, I'm ending this lecture, and in next lecture I'll explain you next chapter.